Let's talk about your cotton shirt. It's something you probably wear all the time, maybe without even thinking about it. But have you ever wondered where it really comes from, or how it's made? It's soft, comfortable, and easy to overlook, but its story is anything but simple. That shirt is the result of a journey that spans continents, centuries, and countless hands. That shirt began as a tiny seed in a vast field, part of a plant with a history stretching back thousands of years to ancient India and Egypt. Cotton has been cultivated for over 5,000 years, shaping civilizations and changing the course of history. People learned to spin the plant's fluffy white fibers into thread, sparking revolutions in industry and trade. The invention of spinning wheels and looms made it possible to turn raw cotton into fabric faster than ever before. Cotton's unique fibers, made of cellulose, are hollow tubes, perfect for absorbing moisture and letting your skin breathe. That's why cotton feels so cool and comfortable, even on a hot day. The global cotton industry is massive, supporting millions of jobs across more than 80 countries. From small family farms to huge plantations, cotton is grown on every continent except Antarctica. From farmers to factory workers, countless hands help turn that seed into the shirt you wear. Each step, from planting to picking, spinning to sewing, requires skill and dedication. Cotton was once called white gold, fueling economies and empires. Its value shaped trade routes, built fortunes, and even played a role in major historical events. The process, pick, clean, spin, and weave, remains at its core, even as technology has transformed every step. Today, machines do much of the work, but the basic journey is the same. Your t-shirt connects you to people and places around the world. Every shirt is a link in a global chain, connecting farmers, workers, and consumers. It's a journey of innovation, hard work, and sometimes tough realities. The cotton industry faces challenges, from fair wages to environmental impact, but it also drives progress and creativity. Next time you pull on your favorite shirt, remember, it all started with a humble plant. That simple seed has traveled a long way to become part of your daily life. That soft, white bowl is the beginning of a global story. Each fiber is a thread connecting you to the earth, to history, and to people you may never meet. The journey from field to closet is long, involving machines, precision, and demanding labor. Every stage, from harvesting to weaving, adds value and character to the final product. We're about to pull back the curtain on every step of this process. Get ready to see the hidden world behind your favorite shirt. From seed to shirt. It's a story worth knowing. The next time you slip on that cotton tee, you'll know just how much went into making it. Let's see how it all happens, and discover the incredible journey of cotton, from the ground to your closet. The journey of cotton begins in the field, where preparation is absolutely key. Before a single seed is sown, farmers carefully assess the land, considering the climate, soil type, and even the history of previous crops. This planning stage sets the foundation for a healthy cotton crop. Farmers plow deep into the earth, breaking up the soil to improve drainage and root growth. They balance the soil's pH and add fertilizers, ensuring the ground is rich in nutrients. This creates the perfect environment for cotton seeds to thrive and grow strong. On modern farms, GPS-guided tractors plant seeds in perfectly straight, evenly spaced rows. This precision means each cotton plant gets enough sunlight, air, and room to grow, reducing competition and boosting yields. Technology plays a huge role in today's cotton farming. From advanced machinery to digital tools, farmers can monitor every aspect of the crop's progress, making adjustments in real time. This boosts efficiency and helps them grow more cotton on the same land. Cotton's growth cycle takes about 6 months, from planting to harvest. During this time, the plants need careful attention. Every stage is crucial, from the first sprout to the final boll. Water is essential for healthy cotton. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to each plant's roots, minimizing waste and conserving precious resources, especially in regions where water's scarce. Moisture sensors and expert agronomists constantly monitor the fields, checking soil moisture and nutrient levels. They adjust water and fertilizer as needed, making sure the plants get exactly what they need to flourish. Pests and weeds threaten the crop, but modern solutions like GPS-guided sprayers and drones allow farmers to target only the affected areas. This reduces chemical use and protects the environment. As the plants grow, farmers trim away side branches. This helps the cotton plant focus its energy on producing large, healthy cotton bolls, which are the source of the valuable fiber. Soon, Delicate blossoms appear on the plants, changing from white to pink before falling off. This transformation signals the next stage in the cotton's life cycle. In place of the fallen flowers, green pods called cotton bolls begin to grow. These bolls slowly swell as the fibers inside develop. Inside each boll, soft white fibers and seeds form, protected until they're ready for harvest. This is the moment farmers have been working toward all season. Every step in this process is a careful blend of science, technology, and time-honored tradition passed down through generations. The result is a breathtaking sight, fields blanketed in white, each plant heavy with cotton, ready for the next stage of its journey. Cotton farming today is high-tech, but it still relies on the skill, intuition, and dedication of the farmer. The world's demand for cotton, used in everything from clothing to medical supplies, starts right here, in these carefully tended fields. And soon, after months of hard work and patience, it's finally time to harvest the cotton and begin the next chapter in its remarkable journey. After 6 months, the cotton bolls split open, revealing fluffy fibers. Time to harvest. This moment marks the culmination of months of growth and care, where each boll holds the promise of a new beginning. In places like the US and Australia, massive machines do the job. These mechanical giants sweep through fields, their efficiency unmatched, covering vast areas in a fraction of the time it would take human hands. These GPS-guided pickers pluck cotton with spinning spindles, clean it and compress it into huge bales. The technology ensures precision and reduces waste, making the process not only faster but also more sustainable. In other countries, hand-picking is still common, slow, tough work, but it preserves fiber quality prized by luxury brands. This meticulous method ensures that each fiber is handled with care, maintaining its integrity and value. Machine harvesting is fast and efficient, hand-picking is careful and precise. Each method has its own advantages, balancing speed with quality, and both are essential in meeting global demand. Both methods have their place in the global industry. The diversity in harvesting techniques reflects the varied needs and resources of different regions, contributing to a rich tapestry of cotton production. Whether by machine or hand, the goal is the same: gather the white gold. This precious crop is the foundation of countless products, from everyday clothing to luxury items. The harvest is where raw material for your shirt is finally collected. It's the first step in a long journey from field to fabric, where each bale holds the potential to become part of your wardrobe. Each method shapes the cotton's quality and cost. Hand-picked cotton often fetches a higher price due to its superior quality, while machine-picked cotton offers affordability and efficiency. From field to factory, the journey continues. The raw cotton is transported to facilities where it will undergo further processing, transforming it into the fabric we use every day. The next step: separating the valuable fiber from the seeds. This crucial process, known as ginning, prepares the cotton for spinning and weaving. The story of your shirt is just getting started. From raw fiber to finished fabric, each stage adds value and transforms the cotton into something wearable. Let's see what happens next. Join us as we follow the cotton through its incredible journey from the fields to the factory floor. Harvested cotton heads to the cotton gin, a factory designed to separate fibers from seeds. First, powerful fans and warm air clean out dust, leaves, and debris. Then, high-speed saws pull fibers through narrow slots, leaving seeds behind. Fast-spinning brushes collect the clean fibers, now called lint. Modern gins process over 15 bales an hour, with sensors monitoring moisture and density to protect fiber quality. Nothing goes to waste. Seeds become cooking oil or cattle feed. At the end, you have a mountain of clean, soft cotton lint. This is the raw material for thread. The gin transforms a messy harvest into a valuable commodity. Next stop, the spinning mill. The journey from plant to product moves forward. At the spinning mill, cotton lint becomes yarn. First, carding machines untangle and align the fibers, forming soft, rope-like slivers. Multiple slivers are blended and stretched for uniformity. The sliver is twisted and thinned, then spun on high-speed frames. Spindles twist fibers together, creating strong, smooth yarn. Sensors monitor for breaks or inconsistencies, ensuring quality. The result: thousands of spools of cotton yarn, ready for fabric making. Spinning is where fluff becomes thread. Technology and precision drive the process. From here, the yarn is ready to become fabric. the transformation continues. Now, yarn becomes fabric in vast rooms filled with looms and knitting machines. Weaving interlaces two sets of threads, warp and weft, to make sturdy fabrics like denim. Looms lift and lower threads in patterns, shooting the weft across at high speed. Knitting uses a single yarn to create interlocking loops, making soft, stretchy fabrics for t-shirts and socks. Machines are programmed for tension, density, and pattern, with sensors ensuring consistency. Finished rolls are inspected for quality, then left to rest, so fibers stabilize. The method, woven or knitted, shapes the fabric's feel and function. Every yard is checked before moving on. The next step brings color and character. From thread to fabric, the journey is relentless. Now, it's time to add some life. Fabric leaves the loom a dull gray. Time for color and finishing. First, it's washed to remove oils and dust, ensuring even dye absorption. In giant dyeing machines, fabric is colored under precise temperature and pH control. Blended fabrics may need separate dye cycles for each fiber type. After dyeing, fabric is rinsed, stretched, and dried on tenter frames to set its shape. Special finishes add softness, wrinkle resistance, or water repellency. Each roll is tested for color fastness and quality. Only fabric that passes inspection moves on. Dyeing and finishing give fabric its final look and feel. Now it's ready to become clothing. The transformation is nearly complete. Next, from fabric to shirt. Finished fabric arrives at the garment factory, ready to become shirts. Multiple layers are stacked and compressed for efficient cutting. Patterns are laid out to minimize waste, and powerful cutters slice through all layers at once. Cut pieces are bundled and sent down the assembly line. Each operator specializes in a single task: collars, sleeves, or seams, making the process fast and precise. High-speed sewing machines assemble the pieces, while delicate details may still require a human touch. Piece by piece, the shirt takes shape. The process is a blend of automation and skilled labor. What started as a roll of fabric now looks like a real shirt. Final touches are added before inspection. The journey from plant to garment nears its end. One last step remains. Every shirt faces a final inspection before reaching stores. Inspectors trim loose threads, press the shirt, and check measurements and stitching. Only perfect shirts move forward. Any defects are repaired or rejected. Shirts are folded, tagged, and sealed in protective bags. Packed into boxes, each shipment is labeled for tracking. Boxes are loaded onto trucks or containers, bound for distribution centers and stores worldwide. The journey from seed to shirt is complete. Next time you wear a cotton shirt, remember the global effort behind it. From field to factory, every step matters. It's a story of innovation, labor, and connection. Your shirt is more than fabric, it's a journey. And now, you know how it's made.